Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Sorento 3.3 LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 290 horsepower, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.